Bye.
It's just that. What?
Just go get some tissue. You don't need to hold my show. You trying to record it.
Here you go.
Oh,
It's gushing.
come on. I need a towel, Zoe.
Whoop.
So go get some paper
It
towels.
stinks.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
Joey, go get some paper towels. Is it leaking on the floor?
Shh. Who is leaking on your back?
Like, it's like a gush, like gush.
Yeah, get out.
Here.
Oh, God.
Give me the paper towels, Zoe. Get out. Really, Joe?
Come back here.
Why is it running down my butt?
It's a lot. I can't stop it.
Joe, it's
I
running
can't
down
stop
my
it.
butt.
I cannot stop it.
Ma, you gonna bleed to death.
What is that?
It's a towel. I'm trying to just sit it there because we can't stop all
It
this.
stink.
Why I don't smell nothing?
Oh, we do.
It's like,
Just let
it's
it
going
go.
down. It's going all the way down.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Hey, you got to add first?
I don't smell nothing.
We do.
What does it smell like?
Shit.
It smell like,
It trash can.
it smell like,
Hey,
Throw
I need some
up.
more paper towel.
it smell like throw up stuff.
It's still playing.
That's disgusting. Mmm.
It stinks.
Okay, get out.
It smells like poop.
Mmm. Just move.
Stink.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Oh, I smell it.
Mm-mm. I told you, it stink. Smell like disgusting noodles. It's like green stuff.
Oh, it stinks.
Like green but red.
Okay, Joe.
Shh.
You should let Jarvis see it. You don't smell nothing.
Yes, the fucking thing. Hey, come on. You got to flip the shirt over your head.
That's hard.
It's not hard. She released.
What made you just start leaking?
Most of that is just blood.
Don't stop. It's a lot.
Paper towel?
Yes.
Put that in the trash. Joe.
Shut up. I don't have a damn trash can.
It's right there. Did it get on my bra?
Yes.
It went down my hand.
It went all the way down, mama. Like not even there no more. Like just a
Jojo, where the bag at?
what bag?
The trash.
It was burning.
Give me another paper towel.
Zoe, bring some more paper towels. I don't think I have any. I don't think.
Ashley, you're going to have to let me get the core out.
Paper towels at.
That's the part that's stopping the rest of it from draining. Oh, well, that's it. It's all done there.
There's no more paper towels.
Okay, bring some tissue then.
Okay, I'm like. Stink.
Mom, he gotta get it out.
Ashley, the core is right here.
Okay, but that hurt.
Whoa, too bad, so sad.
Ashley.
You the one that told him to come over here.
Okay, just go slow.
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
It's just gushing out.
Dude.
Jarvis said it stink.
It smells like white Amy sausages.
But that's food for you.
I mean, it stinks like food.
Mom, stop moving.
I can't help it. It hurts.
Tell Zoe to go get your mama a towel to bite down on, because she got to stop moving.
Get what?
Go get her a towel to bite on.
Ah! Hold on,
I'm not even pressing it.
There's a towel right there in her hand. Dad, look, there's a towel.
Okay, shut up. Hold on. Ooh, it burns.
You need a fan?
What is this?
Something Zoe in here trying to make.
It's just water.
Ooh, it burns.
Well, you go to the doctor and get him to do the rest then.
Why is it still burning?
Because it's still in there.
Y'all get out.
Thanks.
Oh, shit. This shit ain't gonna lie. There you go. Ash, you got some more paper towels? That hurt right there? Did somebody try to squeeze that?
She tried to peel it. She peeled it.
Girl, you about to put a whole 2-inch hole in your back.
Yeah, you gonna need another paper towel, Dad.
I know.
I like to throw up.
Get the tissue. Where's the tissue at?
It's all gone.
Oh.
This ain't gonna work.
Ooh, it's so sore. Here.
Most of that is blood.
Hey, it's still pus. I know. Still steak, huh, JoJo? I breathed it through my mouth, man. You want me to squeeze it hard one time? See if the cord come out? Just once? Because I haven't been squeezing it. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. Bite hard and grab something with your hands. I would just squeeze it one time hard to see if that shit come out, see if the cord busts out. It all could be out, I don't know, but usually the cord is thick.
I'm done. This is disgusting.
You ready? It ain't gonna take long. It's gonna probably last a second and that's it. If that long. Bite it. Bite and grab.
Hold on, because it hurts.
Bite and grab. Bite and grab. I'm telling you now.
It's still burning.
Bite and grab. Bite the pillow.
Ma, he
pillow,
about
bite
to
it.
do it.
Run. It's burning.
You ready? It's okay. We're gonna count to 4. We're gonna count to 10.
1, 2, 3,
I'm gonna just gradually get there.
5, 6. Mama.
She was supposed to. That's good. That's good. That's good. Just let it keep draining on its own. We
We
done.
got to go out.
No, we didn't, but we got enough out. Her back gonna feel some relief.
Just gonna have to put something on it.
Put some water in there.
That's not water.
What is it?
Ma, you good?
Shut up.
He